In today's video, I want to highlight the VS Code extension Markdown all-in-one, as well as replace curly quotes. So Markdown is a technology that is much bigger than Elixir, but if you are writing lots of documentation or README, you're probably writing a lot of Markdown as well. And so Markdown all-in-one is a really helpful tool. You can kind of go in here and you'll get like Markdown syntax highlighting. You can also get a nice like preview of what's going on. In particular, I am a fan of its ability to showcase previews of image links, so you can kind of just pick it and it'll find it from the relative path nearest it in the source tree. The second extension I want to kind of showcase is replace curly quotes. And so let's say you've got some content that you're kind of pasted in from the web, and there the quotes have already been kind of curled. One way you can use this is you can open up the command prompt and type in quotes, and you can do replace curly quotes, and that'll basically straighten all the quotes within the current file.